This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by j.belden, Sr. Location. 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 Indian Hills Townhome near everything. No mowing. Maintenance-free living west/POA dues covering all exterior maintenance from the studs out. Plus access to the pool, tennis courts and pavilion. Community living at its best. This one has small private patio. 3-bedroom/2.5 bath west/eat and kitchen area plus separate dining area. Beautiful fireplace. Bonus room west/unlimited possibilities. Refrigerator, washer, dryer to convey. Huge 2-car garage. Room for updates at this price. For more information, review the details below.